Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you what Empomart is all about. Empomart is an online marketing or e-commerce platform where you can buy and sell, and the innovation is that you can make money as a shopper, you can make money as a partner, you can make money as a merchant or a vendor. We have heard of Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, GG, and all those kind of shopping platforms, but you only buy a product and you get your product. Nobody pays you for buying. Empomart has come with an innovation where you can buy and earn, you can sell and earn, you can promote and earn. And so I want to show you what the Empomart Partner Subscription Packages are that you can activate your membership for life. And then you stand a chance of shopping the same things you shop in everyday shops, and then you can earn money on that, and then you can earn other beautiful incentives. So I want to show you in this video two things, what Empomart is all about. So I'll be showing you a short clip to show you what Empomart is all about, and then I'll proceed to show you what the activation or subscription packages are. So just come in with me and let's see what it is all about. So what is Empomart? Empomart is a unique e-commerce company that allows you to have a recession-proof residual income. We are in times of recession right now. You know that incomes are dropped, cost of living is very high everywhere. People are complaining post-COVID, and so there is a lot of financial recession, but e-commerce platform Empomart can give you a recession-proof residual income no matter what is happening in the economic world. So in pictorial form, this is what you have. So you have the Empomart platform that creates the opportunity for buyers and sellers to meet, and then you buy or sell on this platform, and then that earns you money. So as a shopper, you can earn money. It has never happened on any e-commerce platform where you buy and then you are earning money on your own purchases. You refer family and friends to also buy through online and they earn money. It hasn't happened before. This is the first of the kind in Africa, and you want to embrace it and see what it is. So I want you to just watch this short video and see
what is Empomart. Empomart is an all-in-one e-commerce platform with logistics, real estate, technology, e-education, insurance, and media. Empomart provides a vehicle that enables people from all walks of life to create generational wealth and live their dream lifestyle through its rewarding e-commerce system. Empomart simplifies the business buying process for both buyers and sellers. Now, anyone can do business without physical presence or local partners because we become your partner. Empomart saves you time and money by covering all your business needs in one place, from dealing with trusted partners to payment security, logistics, support, and more. Empomart provides business opportunity for its members to enjoy regular promotions such as all expense paid vacations, cars, houses, scholarships, and many more. In addition to competitive wholesale prices, you could earn daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly income on your purchases or businesses. How does it work? It's simple. Simply register now to become a verified member and start earning. Sellers can create their online store easily, upload their product across many categories. Buyers can browse categories or search for the product they need. Maximize visibility and sales by offering special deals on their products to Empomart members. In addition, Empomart offers several convenience and secure payment options, including credit and pay later options that help solve cash flow challenges for buyers and sellers. Once your order is placed, Empomart provides all the logistics services to get your products from the seller to buyer. Need help? Our team is standing by to assist you. The future of buying and selling is online now. Join Empomart.com and fuel your wealth.
All right, so that's it. That's what Empomart is all about. You have seen it, you have heard it, and so you understand what Empomart is all about. And so now I want to show you what the Empomart Associate Program is all about and how you can make money out of it. The Empomart Associate Program offers Empomart partners a lifetime opportunity of residual income and sustainable wealth creation. So you got it. It will give you an opportunity for residual income and sustainable wealth for life. So when you become an active member or you become a verified member with your code, with that code, you can make a lot of money on the Empomart platform. You have the opportunity to refer others to the Empomart opportunity and get paid on their purchases and those of their sales organizations. So you can refer family and friends to purchase all the things they buy from supermarkets directly. They can buy from the platform and then they are earning while they are purchasing or they are shopping. And then you can also refer businesses to the platform and then you can earn 2% from the commission they pay to the organization every month for life. If you don't get this, I don't know what you are looking for again. So what are the Empomart incentives? Apart from the opportunity of earning, there are other incentives that you can also enjoy or benefit from. So you stand a chance to win exciting incentives as a Honda Accord or Honda CR-V, a Mercedes-Benz brand new tier rubber, an all expense paid vacation trip to places like Dubai, to the US, scholarship, and then you can also own a house at Empo City. Empomart has a vision of building an Empo City in every country, in every region. In Ghana, all the 16 regions, they plan to build Empo Cities where Empomart members can have their own houses there. The leader says, you need to drive a new car, you deserve to drive a new car, but you don't need to remove money from your pocket to drive that car. So if you work hard on Empomart, you can earn a brand new car. You are qualified, you deserve a house of your own. You don't need to remove money from your pocket to build or buy a house. If you work hard through Empomart, you can get a house fully built for you. So as a partner, no single purchase goes without recompense. All your purchases that you purchase through Empomart, you will earn a reward for them and you will also earn incentives on them. And so what are the Empomart partnership or partner subscription packages? You are to activate your membership. What are the packages that are available? Empomart offers the following 6 store subscription packages for partners. So you can purchase as a partner and then you have the slot to also list your store. If you have a physical store already, you can list a digital version and then upload your products or your goods and services on the platform, and they'll be marketed, they'll be exposed to the over 300,000 members or shoppers on the Empomart platform so far. We are targeting by the year 2023, Empomart will have 5 million members on the platform for all the activities. The packages are designed to give partners the best services and value for money. So let's look at the 6 packages that you can activate, and then you can get a lifetime membership and earn on your purchases or your shopping. You earn on the shopping of all the teams that you build, and the team also build down to whatever generation, 15 levels. All right, so this is the first package that you can activate membership of. It's called the bronze package, and then you earn 6% of your team performance weekly. So if you build a team and then they also build their team, every week you can earn 6% of all their activities, purchases, activation of new memberships, etc. And then the good thing is it costs just 900 Ghana cedis. What is included? Let's look at it. So apart from earning the 6% team bonus on the performance of your team, you also earn fast start bonus. Fast start bonus. That means if anybody is registered under your code or uses your code to register, you will earn a commission on their registration package. So just as we have this registration package here, 900, if you refer anybody and then they register with this package, you will stand a chance of earning a fast start bonus on that up to 2 levels. It means even your second level, the people who come at your second level, you will earn fast start bonus from them. And then one of the flagship products that we sell on Empomart is a UK-based educational software code for children. Very, very educative program, educative game to teach the children and to build their mental development up. You will get one for free, And then the amazing thing is this amount you are using to purchase this package, you will get the full amount back as e-voucher. So if you purchase the bronze package of 900 Ghana cedis, you are going to receive an e-voucher of 900, which you can use to do purchasing or buying on the platform. I haven't seen it anywhere before. Every product on the platform comes with an e-voucher and then a PV volume, pay volume on it. And so if, let's say, you are coming to buy a product and then it has an EV of 200, it means, let's say the product is 399 and then you have an EV of 900 already because you came with this bronze package. What you do is you utilize the 200 EV and then the cash you are going to pay is 199. Then 200 remains in your pocket. So this money you are going to use to activate this package, in real sense, it will come back to you fully minus 1 peso. No peso will be deducted from it. It will come as e-voucher and you can use it for your purchases, and then you have all these other benefits. And then the second one is the silver package, and that one costs 1,950 Ghana cedis, and that one gives you 8% of team performance weekly. So every activity, whether they are shoppers, they are partners, or they are vendors or merchants or the platform, once they registered under your code, every activity they do, whatever they earn, you are going to earn 8% of that in addition to your own earning. And then you earn a fast start bonus up to 3 levels. It means anybody who subscribes at the first level and the second level and third level under you, you are going to earn a percentage from their subscription. It doesn't happen anywhere. Normally in e-commerce or online business or network marketing businesses, you only earn fast start bonus on your direct referrals. But here, second and third level, you still earn fast start bonus. And then you get 2 codes of the UK educational code, and then you still get your 100% voucher, e-voucher back. It means this amount, you are going to get it back as e-voucher, and you can use it to do purchases or to use it to enjoy discounts on your purchases. Then the third package is the gold package, and that is 3,900 Ghana cedis. It gives you 9% on your team performance weekly, and then it gives you fast start bonus up to 3 levels, and then it gives you 4 of the UK educational based code, that software for children, and then you get your 100% e-voucher. Then the fourth one is the platinum, and it costs you 699. That's roughly 7,000 Ghana cedis. And then you get 10% on your team performance every week. And then you also earn starter bonus up to 3 levels. You get 7 codes, which you can sell. Now, this is another money because this code goes for 499 Ghana cedis per code. So if you are going to receive this 7 multiplied by 499, that's roughly 500. That gives you already 3,500 out of this, almost half of the amount. And then you are receiving the full amount is as e-voucher back. So you can see that you are earning more than you are using to enter the system. And then the VIP goes for 14,999, and that one you earn 12% on your team performance weekly, and then you earn fast start bonus up to 4 levels, and then you receive 15 of the UK educational software code, which you can sell for 500 Ghana cedis each times 15, and then you are receiving 100% e-voucher. It means you are receiving this full amount back intact for purchases online. And then the last one is the presidential suite. You will receive 13% on your team performance weekly, and then you earn fast start bonus up to 4 levels. It means everybody who registers with a new package up to 4 levels, you are going to earn a fast start bonus on that. And then you are going to receive 25 of the codes for the software. It means you can sell each of them for 500. You can multiply and see how much is half of this amount already. And you are receiving this amount fully, 100% e-voucher back into your back office, which you can use for purchases online. So you use it as discount to purchase. Every product comes with an EV, that's e-voucher for amount. And so you just remove that amount and then you pocket your money in your pocket and you get your money back 100%. You sell the educational code, you give you another about 50% of the cost of activating your membership. And then you open to a lifetime earning of residual income. That is why we call it recession-proof income. No matter what is happening, people will be purchasing. All we are saying is the things you purchase in everyday life. Instead of walking to the shop, you see, sometimes we are going to put all the shops. So you can even be in the shop and buy through online and then pick up your product and go home and then you earn. The vendor or the merchant, the seller also earns. And then the partners also are earning. Everybody makes money in this system. And so those are the packages. So you can see these are the leaders. So you can see this guy here. That is the CEO of the company. And then this is a car award winner, somebody who has won a car. They have just delivered his car to him. And so wherever you are, you win your car, they will bring your car there and deliver to you. And so that is what you are seeing there, a car delivered to a car awardee. His Benz has been delivered to him, and you can also earn your Benz. Once you get the volumes that you are required for the Benz or whichever car you want, you get it. And so this is a car award ceremony that took place on the Saturday. So let me just play this video for you.
And
I'm sorry, but the
Empomart
video presenter who captured this,
Tia Roba Mercedes Benz.
as you can see,
And
the
what do
cars there.
we are?
So that
We
is
mark
it.
that make
Empomart
every and I'm
on the 30th
Yeah.
of July,
Where
there
are
was a car award. So these are
Empomart
some of the
2022.
cars
Tia
you
Roba
can see
in the menu
here.
Yagani.
So you can see
Holiday
that the
Inn
second
Hotel
one. You can
Airport.
see the third one.
And then we
Honda
are Mr. Debbie
also
Masa
there.
we next year
Benzes
me to be
and then
angasa.
Honda cars. So you can see that
Wow,
the third
wow.
one. You can see the 5 one.
Empomart.
That is the 4th one. There were about 7 cars
Empomart.
that we see. You
Hey,
can see the next
a
one.
body
That's the
platform.
5th one.
Me and me
After
from
the
New
5th
Crapini
one,
Kwamna Yabua, Eddie Abase,
so you
Tonwadi,
can see
Winnie, Tia Roba Mercedes Benz, Qatar, USA,
so you can see
and the
many
Miami
people have
Abronane.
also received
Second edition, no,
incentive
but when
to
you
travel to Dubai.
didn't the Kwajo see do answer Macra Rainbow Radio International with the first class. First class,
It took place at Holiday Inn on Saturday, the 30th of July. I was there live. Myself, I qualified for Qatar for the World Cup, and so I'll be traveling myself. So the thing is real, and I want you to take advantage. It's a one-time investment, and you get your money back instantly, and you can use it for purchases on the same platform. You get an educational code. Later on, I'll do videos and show you the power of this software code for kids that develops their mind, develops their focus, their mental prowess, and everything. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel as I bring you more video about this opportunity, and let's take advantage. Financial Freedom Hub will show you opportunities that can help you make money and then eventually become financially free or independent. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.